Hi, let's talk about quality inspection in manufacturing. It's probably the most important task on the production line. More and more companies are entrusting this process to AI. Why? Firstly, it's a repetitive and tedious process which may damage a person's mindset. Secondly, humans are subjective. Two quality inspectors may perceive the same defect differently. Yet, most importantly, human quality inspection takes a long time. It may become a bottleneck in a modern, streamlined, well-functioning production line. A set of video cameras is installed on the production line. The platform isolates the product image from the background noise. Then, pixel by pixel, it uses artificial intelligence to analyze the data and detect the defects. Let's see how our platform performs for a top global car seat manufacturer. Quality inspection performed by an employee takes at least 1 minute. By employing machine vision, quality inspection time was reduced to 2.2 seconds per car seat. The platform performs at 96% accuracy rate. This rate is at the level of human quality inspection and even exceeds it. AI-based quality inspection works on a variety of different surfaces. For example, our client produces more than 40 different seat models for a wide range of leading car brands. Manufacturing quality inspection is easily adapted to support any types of products, from small-scale parts to such as sizable products as car seats. We can promise that it is a worthwhile investment. Would quality control automation work in your manufacturing environment? Get in touch and let's find out.